Hello, welcome to my channel. Get Play Soon. Almost all companies that hire freshers consider aptitude test in their initial screening process. So, today in this video, I'm going to discuss everything about aptitude round for placements. We're going to cover the details, the syllabus, the resources, mock test, and a lot more. So, please stay tuned till the end of this video. Also, please like and share this video. Moving ahead, we have the details. It is an elimination round. Generally, when it comes to placements, we tend to give importance to tech rounds, HR round, coding round, etc. But aptitude round plays a very important role as it is going to be the first step in the screening round and it is going to be an elimination round. Approximately 80% of the people get rejected in this round. Do you believe that? Speaking of time limit, it is generally not more than 2 hours. So it depends on company to company. And the two most important things to crack an aptitude round is one, practice, and the second, how accurate you are. So practice will give you an ease with calculations, an ease with understanding the logic and stuff, and accuracy. It also gives you the perfect answer. When you practice well, you'll get the answer also well. We have three main sections in the aptitude round, like verbal ability, quantitative aptitude, and logical reasoning. Speaking of quantitative aptitude, first of all, work on your calculation skills. Increase your calculation speed and try to solve as many problems as you can. Also, quantitative aptitude is all about maths concepts like probability, HCF, LCM, and all those things, ages, etc. So there will be some concept, there will be some formula associated with it. Also, make sure you maintain a cheat sheet where you write all the formulas. That will be helpful whenever you're going to an exam to revision well. Last minute preparation purpose, the cheat sheets will be available for you. So we have the syllabus of quantitative aptitude here. Take a screenshot if you required. Moving ahead, we have logical reasoning. Increase your logical reasoning by practicing more and more questions on different topics. Here in logical reasoning, you don't have a specific concept. Logical reasoning is all about logic. Understand the question properly, read the question a couple of times, then the answer will be somewhere hidden in the question. Again, you need to practice it. Moving ahead, we have the syllabus here for logical reasoning like alphanumeric series, blood relations, calendars, etc. Take a screenshot if required. Of verbal ability, you need to make sure that you read a lot. If you are this person who can read, make sure to read newspapers, fiction novels that interest you, and it will help you for not only for aptitude round, for other interview rounds as well. Again, if you're not this person of reading, you can, before the aptitude round, you can read a lot of reading comprehension exercises you can solve, and then you can get ready by understanding the main grammatical concepts like modifiers. Verbal ability, you must starting with this segment, verbal ability, whenever you're writing an aptitude round, because logical reasoning and quantitative aptitude both will take time to solve the problem. But verbal ability, it being English, there is nothing to be applied. You just understand the question, look at the options, and give the right answer. So there will be no such time for solving. So start with verbal ability because it's going to earn you more points in less time. Make sure your concepts are clear. Make sure you do a lot of reading comprehension exercises and try to understand the vocabulary associated with the sentence. Then you are good to go to solve this verbal ability round 2. Here we have the syllabus for verbal ability. Take a screenshot if required. Moving ahead, we have resources. And there are ton lot of resources available on the internet, but I'm going to mention only those resources which I followed, which helped me a lot. This is a YouTube channel named Career Right. We have three separated playlists for quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and verbal ability, respectively. Every single concept is covered, and the practice problems are also covered in the videos. So this is really helpful. Please look at it. Moving ahead, we have a website called IndiaBex. Almost more than 200 300 questions will be available on each and every topic on this website. So once you're done with clearing the concepts in the Career Right YouTube channel, go to this website called IndiaBex and solve as many problems as you can. Moving ahead, if you are this person who can read books and if you have a lot of time before your placements or before your aptitude round, then you're good to go with books. And here is a list of books of famous authors like Arun Sharma, RS Agarwal, Meenakshi, etc. You can make note of these books. Moving ahead, overall, how I prepared for my aptitude round is this: clearing the concepts by watching the Career Right YouTube videos, and then practicing, and also practicing the mock test in the IndiaBix website. So please go through this. These are really helpful. Again, if you're not comfortable with any of the resources I mentioned, you will have a lot of resources available on the internet. These are only resources which I followed and I got help from.